Hello everyone, so this is day 8 at the community hike. I'm standing on top of Madhu Makarandgad, witnessing one of the most beautiful sunsets I could have ever asked for. This is extremely pretty. There's no color correction, there's no editing, it is just as how it looks, as it is. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Magnificent. This is the beautiful Sahyadri. So let's start the day from the very beginning, when we were in the village of Chaturbet and wanted to start our day at around 9 a.m. and I just can't stop recording this. Oh, this is so beautiful. ठीक है काका, धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू. वो आ गया मधु मकरंद. अरे चाललेत गाडा.
Now there is a road from Chaturbet that goes all the way to Madhu Makarandgad. So let's see how's the condition of the trail, because very few people would use it now. So we have found a nice single trail. Hope this one take us all the way up to the fort. We came a little far to west, so heading back now to the last split that we saw. And now stuck in this big valley. There's a pretty evident trail till one point and now it vanishes. So we are kind of stuck there. There are valleys all around and we don't see much. So we're looking for references. If you look at the map of this place, exactly the position where we are, there is no Survey of India reference. There are not many clues on the ground. So I've asked for help. Luckily we had network. So I've called a Prasad who has done this trek way back in 2009. So let's see if we can get some clue from him. Till the riverbed, the trail was still nice, but now we have nothing much to look for. And the locals were saying the same thing, that after the road construction they are not actually using the trail. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we have decided to exit the trail on the road and see if we can hitch a ride till Goroshi. The contours of this side valley looks flat, so I think it is pretty easy to patch it back to the road. This is the day when we are walking on the road for the first time. 3.5 kilometers with 300 meter up. Should reach Ghonaspur. Drop our bags there. We walked on the road for 3 kilometers. And now finally. Kaku, Atmaram Jangam ji जा घर कुठे आहे जेच आहे हा अच्छा
काल आलेली ना तुम्ही
हा काल गोरुशीत होतो
दादानी माझा फोन लावलेला मला
हाँ
रायरेश्वरवरून
हाँ सोमनाथ काका ना
हो.
हाँ आपके भाई
हो.
हाँ
या ना
या हाँ
राजकुमार काम से आप कपड़े धो लो सब कुछ है
चलो 2 people staying back. Time is 2:17 p.m. We'll do a quick hike to
that was incorrect
Goroshi and back. Now on the descent towards Goroshi, from the ridgeline you'll be able to see the beautiful village of Hatlot, and that is Pratapgarh, and there is where you can also see the Torna Fort. It's right there, the last ridgeline that you see. Pretty beautiful landscape. One single trail to follow as of now. We were able to spot a nice trail until now. Done some 2.5 kilometers since Ghonaspur. So ready? Natural swing. Come on. Yeah. We have a tree climber. Yes, get on the left side branch. अरे कहाँ जा रही है
भाई
भाई घर
की मैन
घर भी जाना है
ओ भाई इतने कैसे यार मेरी पटरी देख उसकी क्या हो रही है
टन 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 वाह
गिरना नहीं भाई please।
वाह वाह
हाँ
हाँ
डर लग रहा है कोई नहीं जब मारो मैं पकड़ लूँ
किसको पकड़
मेरी
लो
गोदी में
नहीं सामने जाओ वहां से उतरो सीधे जाओ
जल्दी नहीं है आराम से
आगे लगे ना क्या बात है
नहीं बहुत ऊंचा है वो उधर है पाँव रखने की जगह आगे आओ हाँ यस
लटकोगे धीरे धीरे नीचे आ ही जाओगे
नहीं हो गया यस दैट्स योर लेग होल्ड So that's the fort, Madhu Makarandgad, and the village. Let's see if we can join this trail to either Hatlot or Goroshi. So we can spot the hamlet of Mettale. It's right there. We did a descent on to Pethwadi through that. You can also see New Mahabaleshwar. It is right there. So we had climbed up from Pethwadi all the way till here, Karviale Wadi, and then on this plateau was Mangar. From Mangar through this ridge line we had descended down to Goroshi. Yeah. So I think now we've completed the circuit. We'll join this trail to the road head, and then from Hatlot we can actually climb up to Madhu Makarandgad. It would be such a nice loop, and the trail in the forest is actually very Very nice. One of the most prettiest forests that you'll ever see in this area. And here there's no particular big path to follow, but if you just keep your direction aligned to the road, you can easily find a way through. Contours are pretty gradual. So we are leaving Hatlot at 4:33 p.m. I think we'll be able to reach on top of Makarandgad, Madhu Makarandgad before 5:30. Beautiful, beautiful village. Yeah, this trail is more prominent than the other one. It goes up nice and easy. Namaskar Kaka. Now even on this trail you'll find white and orange ribbons. They are not that frequent, but they do exist. But this trail is so nice and broad that you can easily hike up. It's a quick 500-meter climb all the way to the top of the fort from Hatlot. This is the major route that people actually use day in, day out. Beautiful green patch. Some 3.5 kilometers, 500-meter up. Not an easy one for sure. We're doing a quick speed climb all the way to the top. Woo! Some magnificent views over Ghonespur. That's the hamlet. We have one final climb left. Take us all the way up to the top. Very nice. Yeah, on the top, made it in an hour. 4:30 to 5:29. 500 meters up. Woo! Yay! Yep. So if we were right there, that's the village of Hatlot, and we climbed up through this beautiful forest. Right now on the top there's a small temple complex on the top, beautiful ridge lines, and this is Ghonespur. So well lit during the sunset. Just one single ridge line. This is the Madhu Makarand fort. Wow, magnificent. It's a beautiful sunset. So ending day 8 with a beautiful sunset. I'm just walking randomly on this ridge line to and fro because this place is so serene and beautiful. Day 8 started with not much of a successful trail. We even walked on the road for the first time, but now everything is just falling into place. It is extremely extremely beautiful. Raj is happy. Those are the lights of Mahabaleshwar. One of the most beautiful sunsets on this trip, no doubt. And yeah, what amazing beauty. Lovely. Amazing. Let's head back to Koleshwar, descend down and have a good night's sleep. This is the beautiful Western Ghats. The ridgeline is a little tricky, so you have to be a little careful, especially if you're someone who is recording things on the go. There's a thin little trail to follow. But once you're at the temple, things will be pretty nice and okay.
बोल बाबू
अरे बड़ा क्यूट है सही क्यूट है चॉकलेट
बाबू चॉकलेट दे रहा है बड़ी आई
Thank you.
स्पेशल आइटम लो
अरे डिश ऑफ द ईयर
डिश ऑफ द ईयर
क्या है डिश ऑफ द ईयर?
खा लो
खा के देखो तो
वीडियो में पता ही नहीं चलेगा
स्पाइसी है क्या?
नहीं अरे
खा के देखो
दिल से निकल रहा है मेरे
ट्रस्ट मी
मेरे दिल से बहुत कम चीजें निकलती है एक वो और एक ये
Nice. This is our sleeping arrangement for the night. One person is already asleep.
यार मारो सोने दे
Do not disturb, bro. Can I make you silent?
चलो
अरे वो
तुला देगा
Good night.